Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your school group or school community. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make your school community public? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make your school group public anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you've started a school community and you're not charging a monthly or a membership fee, maybe you want to make it public so that way it shows up in Google and the search engines and more likely to attract different members. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your school account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my school community and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and make your group public, what you're going to do is here on the right side, there's a button here called Setting. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, it's going to open up your school community settings, and by default, it opens up to invite for some reason. But in order to make your school group public, you want to click on this button here called General. All right, once you do that, down here at the bottom, you're going to see these two boxes, private and public. If you want to make your group public, make sure you click on the public. It looks like a little world. Now they do let you know anyone can see who the members are in the group and also what they have posted. And also the content is going to show up on the search engines. So depending on your group, you want to make sure that it's okay with your members that you're going to make this public, because you will be revealing their account and then also their posts, especially if it's going to be something that's kind of private that your group talks about. Whatever the case is, if you want to go ahead and make your school group public, make sure you click on Update Settings, this yellow button right here. All right, a quick second later, you'll see this button right here, Settings Updated. So now my school group is now public. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to make your school community a public group, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.